So guys, make sure you have your download link ready. Uh, you can also make use of Google Play Store or the Samsung Galaxy App Store or this. We are going to try it with the Wi-Fi only. As you can see at the top corner with the red arrow, that is the download speed, which is too low. So now let's try and activate the download booster. Please make sure you enable your data and Wi-Fi before enabling download booster. Both data and Wi-Fi must be on. They must be enabled. Be enabled. Now let's turn it on. Let's try. As you can see, the download speed is counting 1.6 MB per second. Okay, 2.0 MB per second.